Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you the official and 100% safe way to download and install CorelDRAW 2026 free trial latest version directly from the Corel website. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for CorelDRAW 2026 trial download, or go directly to CorelDRAW.com. I've also added the link in the description. Step 2. Once the website loaded, don't go anywhere. Click on Try Free blue icon. After that, another page will load and enter your email and then continue. Or if you have your email loaded, and then click on Continue with Google. Step 3. Start the download. To finish your waiting, fill the required options in the form your first name and last name, then continue. After that, your download link will be ready. Just click on Download button. So for best result of download, make sure to have a stable connection. Once the download is complete, you'll find the setup file in your downloads folder, and run it. You will see online downloading. As I said, you need to have a stable connection for the best result of downloading. So once it finished, a RAR file you will see, so extract that and run the setup file. Step 4. Once it's launched, you will have two options: typical installation and custom installation. In the typical installation, you will have all the applications, and in the custom, you will have choice to install your favorite application. In the video, I didn't run the CorelDRAW 2026 because of slow and weak PC.